Nothing could be finer than Carolina in the morning. Apparently, it's early in the morning here with this frog in my throat. Thanks everybody for joining me. I really appreciate it. Today is a special day because of this gray wig that I made and that I let you all decide if it was right for me. And most of you said, no, it wasn't. And listen, I agree with you. The color is washed out. And I had just done that dark skin transformation, so my skin was dark, and this wig just clashed with it. But I am determined to wear a gray wig that looks great on me. Because right now, I love this little side plaid, and I love this wig, but it's hot also here in Carolina, and it's going to get hotter. So I want to make a really, really nice gray hair unit. And it's going to be sort of complicated, but it's going to be fun because I got all this black hair back here. So the unit is going to have to cover that hair, cover all of my thinning area, and plus look good on me. So needless to say, it's been difficult to find gray hair that looks exactly right. I don't want it to be too silvery, and I don't want it to be this dull kind of gray. And you know what I did? I went to Virginia and went to some of the local beauty supplies thinking I can find some gray there that I can look at in person, right? So this particular, ooh, ain't that cute? I went to this particular beauty supply called Diamond Supply in Norfolk, Virginia, and they had the most beautiful gray, I mean all versions of gray and all different shades of gray. So I found this color that I think is going to complement my complexion. I love the texture, and it is one of those, this is actually the name of it for you all who are interested. It's called Shake and Go, and it's a mixture of human hair and synthetics, which doesn't bother me. I'm still going to get the results that I want because it's on wefts that I can make into a hair unit. It's going to take a little bit of work, but hey, if the magic wig maker can't make it, then it's not meant to be made.
Something happened here. Don't know what it is, but the air is clear. Feel good, got something to say. Ain't no trouble, can't get in my way. So I'll just take my time, say whatever is on my mind, and I feel alright. I feel alright. Let it go, and I feel alright. Trouble that you see, don't hold it in, you got to set it free. Let it go, you feel alright. You sleep much better on your pillow tonight. So go ahead and take your time, say whatever is on your mind, and you feel alright. You feel alright. Let it go, and you'll feel alright. You feel alright. Let it go, and you'll feel alright. something to say. Yeah, no trouble can get in my way. So I'll just take my time and say whatever is on my mind, and I feel alright. I feel alright. Let it go, and I feel alright. I feel alright. I feel alright. Let it go, and I feel alright. Said I feel alright. Feel alright. Let it go, and I feel alright. Yeah, I feel alright. Feel alright. Let it go, and I feel alright. I say I feel alright. Feel alright. Let it go, and I feel alright. Say you feel alright. Feel alright. Let it go, and I feel
I love it.
alright. Let it go, and I feel alright. I say you feel alright.
Finally get my gray hair unit to look the way that I want. I love the color. I added just a little bit of dark tint at my temple to give it a more dimensional look. What do you think? This has really been a fun project for me, making this gray hair unit that I am super pleased with, and I hope that you like it too. Let me know what you think in the comments. I am so appreciative to you all for helping my channel grow. And hey, I am almost at 29,000. I know we can make it 30,000 subscribers by you telling others, liking, sharing. And I have a special surprise for someone when I hit that 30,000 subscribers. And I'm on my way to having almost 300 videos. Yay! So make sure that you hit that notification bell so you will not miss this next video that I'm going to upload that is totally different from anything you've ever seen here on my channel, Miss Lola's Hair and More. Oh, I'm gonna stop talking now and go out and show off my new hairstyle. Take care, everybody. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.